Racing to the finish, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard in movies, sports, or even in everyday conversation: racing to the finish. It's a dynamic expression with a rich meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started. Racing to the finish combines two key words, racing and the finish. Racing implies a rapid movement or progress towards a goal, usually in a competitive context. The finish refers to the end point of a race or a task. When combined, the phrase metaphorically means pushing towards the completion of a goal, task, or project with urgency and determination. It's about the final sprint to achieve something, often with the implication that there's a deadline or a competition involved. You can use racing to the finish in various contexts. In a literal sense, in sports or any competition where participants are moving quickly to reach the end point. In a metaphorical sense, to describe any situation where there is a rush to complete tasks. This could be at work, school, or even personal projects. For example, if you're working on a group project and the deadline is approaching, you might say, "We're all racing to the finish to get this project done on time." It adds a sense of urgency and teamwork to the scenario. Let's look at a few examples to see how racing to the finish can be used in sentences. As the deadline for the submission approaches, the whole team is racing to the finish. The marathon runners were racing to the finish, giving their all to win the competition. With exams just a week away, students are racing to the finish with their revisions. These examples showcase how versatile the phrase can be, fitting seamlessly into conversations about sports, work, education, and more. And there you have it, folks. Racing to the finish is a powerful phrase that captures the essence of determination, urgency, and the push towards achieving a goal. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and usage, and you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning tips. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in our next video.